welcome back to my channel. This is Sheryl with iStylEmystyle, and today we are going to be talking about some glam and elegant home decor pieces. So I was looking around my home and thinking, do I want to change up anything? Do I not want to change up anything? And then it got me to thinking about all of my favorite thrifted glam home decor finds. And I always talk to you guys about decorating your home with style on a budget. So for today's video, I thought I would bring out some of my favorite glam and elegant pieces that I have thrifted, guys. And these items are so luxe to me, and I totally lucked out when I found them. So don't sleep on your local thrift stores. And today's video is also part of a collaboration with the Glam Elegant Living Society. And this is the Glam and Elegant Decor collab that is hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living. And she always has a few co-hosts. And her co-host for this collaboration is Petal from Petalisbless DIY, Bree from Bree's Project Book, and myself, Sheryl, with iStylEmystyle. So I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below. Make sure you go check them out. This is also an open collaboration where we have asked you guys to participate and show us your glam and elegant decor pieces. So make sure you go check out the link in the playlist. You do not want to miss all of the glam and elegant home decor inspiration that you're going to see. Now, without further ado, let me show you the glam and elegant pieces that I have picked up while thrifting. I think you're gonna love them. And if you're new here and you like what you see so far, well, you haven't really seen anything, but you will. So if you like what you see, please give the video 2 thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, become a part of the family. Now, let me show you what I picked up. All right, so the first thing we're gonna start out with are candlesticks. You can never go wrong with candlesticks. I think they are very glam and elegant. So while I am out thrifting, I am always on the hunt. And one of the first places I go is the glassware section and the home decor section. So I'm always on the lookout for some really nice candle holders. And I found these. These were 2 for $6. Again, at a peddler's mall. Don't sleep on your local peddler's mall, guys. You can find some antique stuff there. I have shown you, gosh, maybe a year or 2 years ago now, I guess, a video where I was on the hunt for some restoration hardware inspired items, and I will leave that video linked in the description box down below in case you missed that. But I love restoration hardware. I don't want to spend the money. So I was on the hunt looking for some restoration hardware items, and I decided to take you along as I went thrifting. And in that video, I showed you lots of great inspired dupes all on a budget. So make sure you go check it out. But I do love candlesticks, especially glass ones. And I think this is very glam and elegant. And it's the first piece I have to show you. Now, let me show you the next one.
Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let you...
Okay, the second item I would like to show you is this vase. This is actually a Facebook marketplace find. It was a set of, I want to say there were like 5 or 6 vases in there that were all black and white. You guys know I love to decorate in black and white, and I use green as my accent color, as you can see here. And I found these vases, like I said, there were 6 for $30. So this vase was $5. And I love the black and white detail. Very modern and elegant. And it's the second pick on my list. Very budget friendly. Something that I think is glam and elegant. So when you're out thrifting, always look for vases. Absolutely love them. And you don't have to just thrift from the Goodwill. You can go to like consignment stores, furniture consignment stores, decor consignment stores. You can go to peddlers malls, like I said, and Facebook Marketplace. Facebook Marketplace is what I consider one of my thrift stores. I don't know if you guys are like that as well. Leave me a comment down below. Do you consider Facebook Marketplace a thrift store? Because basically it is. I mean, you're just thrifting from people's homes. So absolutely love it. But this vase is the next item that I think is very glam and elegant, and I absolutely love it. This video is part of a collaboration that is hosted seasonally, and it's part of the Glam Elegant Living Society's Glam and Elegant Decor collab. It is hosted by Allie from Glam Elegant Living, and she hosts this collaboration seasonally. It's an open collaboration, and she always has some co-hosts that she asks to do this collaboration with her. And the ladies who are her co-hosts are Petalisbless from Petalisbless DIY, Bree from Bree's Project Book, and myself, Sheryl from iStylEMYSTYLE. And we wanted to show you some glam and elegant decor pieces that you can use around your home. And I decided for my video today, I would show you some glam and elegant things that I picked up while thrifting. So don't sleep on thrifting, guys. You can find some really unique home decor pieces like these vases that I picked up, and all at a very affordable price. As you can see, I did not spend a lot of money on these at all, and they look so much more expensive than what I paid for them, and I'm sure they probably were, but I picked them up for a steal. Make sure you go check out everyone's video. Again, this is an open collaboration. I will leave a link for the ladies' channels down below, Allie, Bree, and Petal. So you go check out those ladies' channels. You're sure to get tons of inspiration, as well as visit the playlist to see what everyone else is showing that they feel is glam and elegant. So if you have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you to start thrifting, to save money on a budget, please give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Sheryl. I love decorating with style on a budget, and I love to make my home look a lot more expensive than it really is. And one of the ways I do that is by thrifting. Now, the last item I'm going to show you is my most favorite item of all that I have found while thrifting, and you've seen it in my latest video. And if you haven't, make sure you check out the description box down below to see what other items I found. But let's look at our next glam and elegant piece. And last but not least, this is my favorite glam and elegant piece that I have ever picked up while thrifting. I am absolutely in love with this piece. I picked it up in a thrift haul from the other day. Again, if you missed the video, it will be linked in the description box down below. But I picked this up and it was only $3.99, guys. And as you can see, the vase is very unique in detail. And I was doing some research to try to figure out exactly who was the manufacturer of this vase. And it is a, vintage Mikasa piece. So yes, Mikasa, you guys know Mikasa is a very high-end glassware line, and I absolutely love it. So this was a great find and a steal of a deal. Now, I told you guys I wanted to add some black balls to this, but I thought, maybe a combination of black and glass would look even better. And I think they do. Absolutely love this. I picked these up from Amazon. I think they were like $9, so $3 a piece. And this is giving me a very high-end, glam and elegant luxe look for less. So, guys, those are all of my favorite finds while out thrifting, all of my glam and elegant pieces. I absolutely love everything that I found, and I hope you do as well. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what was your favorite glam and elegant thrifted piece. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. and it makes you think outside the box. You don't always have to go buy your home decor pieces at these high-end, expensive home decor stores. Yes, sometimes we can find great deals, but you can also find great deals while you are out thrifting. So if you have enjoyed today's video and it inspired you, I apologize for my refrigerator. It's being very rude right now. But if you have enjoyed today's refrigerator, if you have enjoyed today's video and it has inspired you, please give the video 2 thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I want to let you know that today's video, Friday's video, the bougie on a budget shopping video will actually air on Sunday instead of today. I did not want the 2 videos to clash, and I forgot this video was going up as part of a collaboration today. So the Bougie on a Budget series will air on Sunday, so make sure you subscribe because you do not want you don't want to miss the store that we're going to next. It's a store that you guys go to often, but I think I put a little twist on it that I think you'll enjoy, and let me know if you want to see more of that type of content. I will leave last week's Bougie on a Budget shopping in the description box down below this video as well. So if you're interested, make sure you go check it out. It was at the Dollar General, and guys, Dollar General has a lot of cute stuff. So yeah, enough talking, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.
Try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me.